Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to log out of Netflix app. To do this, it's very simple. You have just to go to the Netflix app, open it, and after that, choose your profile. And after choosing your profile, go and click on My Netflix. And after that, go and click on the three lines on the top right of the screen. And as you can see here, the last option is sign out. So if you want to log out from your Netflix app, you have just to click on sign out and you will be logged out from your account and everything will be good. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.